Our project was sesgo de confirmación, and in English that's confirmation bias. And it basically says that people are only willing to look at their point of view, or they'll look for things that confirm what they believe and what they think is right, and they aren't willing to look at things from another perspective or to see how they might possibly be wrong. This can be really common in, for example, people who are Googling things. Like if they are going to look up something, they're going to look for answers that support what they already believe. They're not going to look for the other side, and they're not going to look for their own faults and find out how they were wrong. So that explains why some people have like a preference over, for example, Android and Apple, or Nike and Adidas, and just things like that. That's why people have their own preferences, and that's why they believe one is better than the other.
The English psychologist Peter Wason did this experiment in the 60s with numbers. So he put like a number pattern in front of them, and he had the answer to the pattern. And he had people like try to guess what the pattern was, but they all had their different theories, and they all had their different point of views. And only 20% of the people got his pattern correct. This showed how people are biased towards what they believe is correct or what is true, instead of looking at other things from like a neutral point of view. And then with this experiment, he showed that most people who were I don't know how to read. Why? Just cut that. With this experiment, he showed that most of the people who thought their hypothesis was completely correct were actually wrong. So, I'm on a picnic, and I'm going to bring aspirin.
I'm going on a picnic and I'm gonna bring some cough syrup.
You can go.
I'm going on a picnic and I'm going to bring some
I'm going on a picnic and I'm going to bring a blanket.
You can go.
Oh, I'm going on a picnic and I'm going to take a cat.
You can go.
What?
I figured it out. So easy.
I'm going on a trip and I'm gonna bring a dog.
You can go.
I don't get it.
I'm going to bring an elephant.
You can go.
I'm going to a trip and I'm bringing my horse.
I'm going on a trip and I'm bringing a fish.
You can go.
I'm going on a trip and I'm bringing myself.
You cannot go.
Yes, I can. I'm bringing Gracie.
No.
Bruh.
Because you started with medicine, so I thought it was gonna be a pill, so I said ibuprofen.
I figured it out because when Taylor said Advil, I just...
Well, I said aspirin, dumb.
Sorry!
I figured it out because back in the first grade I learned my ABCs.
Animals, because everyone was saying animals, so yeah.
Oh.
No, because Tessa said cat, and then Maddie said D, and that's CD, so I just went with E.
I just guessed and I got it right.
Okay, all right. We also did an experiment to see a preference in between Walmart and Target. Just as an example, the first question, we asked what would they prefer. So 6 people said Walmart and 5 people said Target. On the second question, we asked why do they prefer Target or Walmart, and some people just said that Target's cheaper or Walmart's cheaper. Some people said that they like Target better for their clothes. Other people said that they like Walmart for their groceries. We asked which is cheaper, and Walmart got 10 people, and Target only got 1. We asked which was better quality, and Walmart got 2 people, and Target got 9. And then we asked which had better customer service, and Walmart got 6, and Target got 5.
So our conclusion was correct, like our hypothesis was the same as the Wason guy. And we came to the same conclusion that people do tend to take things based on what they think is correct before actually looking for their faults and finding how they could be incorrect.